Hello and welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily create subscribe button animation using Canva. Let's get started. Create a background. Open Canva and create a new design using the education video template. Set the background color to black. Add and customize elements. Go to Elements. Expand lines and shapes and select a rounded square. Adjust its size and position it in the center. Set the square's color to red. Create a duplicate of the current page. Add and customize text. On the duplicated page, add the text "Subscribe" and choose the Montserrat bold font. Duplicate the second page. Go to Elements, search for an arrow, and select one you like. Adjust its size and position above the text. Rotate and resize the arrow as needed. Do not animate this page and set the timing to 1.1 seconds. Move to the next page, change the rectangle color to gray, and update the text to "Subscribed." Create another duplicate of this page and set the timing to 1.5 seconds. On the next page, animate the subscribed text and rectangle to move out. Select Pan, choose Pan Out, and set the direction to left. Apply these settings to both the text and rectangle. Reduce the page timing to 2.5 seconds, or according to your interest. Play the video to see how it looks. Ensure the flow and animations are smooth. To animate both text and rectangle to move out at the same time, preview the video again to see the final result. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.